Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to tell you how just using visualizing technique you can improve your English. Yes, we all know it that just by using visualizing technique we can get anything actually in life using our this technique. Same way you can improve your English also. How? So today I'll give you the complete information. So see that visualizing means what? Visualizing means to visualize something in your brain actually. Your brain. So everything we do, firstly we do here in our mind, yes, then we do in the real life, in that means in your that means in real world it comes. Okay, so same way, suppose if you every single day, if you just if you are writing something or whatever you are doing, okay, you are doing it for English improvement, but along with that, if you just do this technique for a few minutes, it could be 5 minutes or 10 minutes every single day, you can see the drastical change in your English improvement journey. Yes, drastical change will happen. Why it will happen? Because in the morning time or at night you are doing anytime. If you can do it in the morning time also and at night also. How you will do it? You just think that I'm a great English speaker, I'm giving speech in front of thousands of people, I become a very good public speaker, a very good communicator. If you think in your mind for 10 minutes, first of all it would look awkward to you, because you are thinking, how could it possible? I'm just thinking in my mind. But when you are thinking in your mind is like channelizing this energy in real life, in real face. It will come to you in the real place. Okay, so you'll see that after 6 months, 10 months, you maybe you can't go to a television and give a speech, or you can become a top class communicator, but at least you can improve more. Suppose earlier you were 10, now you will be 20, or maybe you can become 30, 40 and 50 as well. So this technique you must use to improve your English. This thing that I am the best English speaker and the best English writer or something, whatever you attached with English. So you do it and you will see the changes. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much.